Okay, go ahead, Max.
Does it have a reverse?
Max, go ahead. Go ahead. Put your foot on it. Go ahead. Do it again. Do it again.
Am I doing it right? How do you do
Push it all the way down.
There you go. Pretty cool, huh?
Push this down. Push it down, and then push on the gas.
You want to go look at the big tractors with everybody? No. Look at, they're all walking down there. Want to go walk down there? Okay. Okay, that goes right there.